In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the jaw dropper filter on Instagram. Okay, so once you've launched up Instagram and you're on the home page, go ahead and tap on that little magnifying glass at the bottom bar there next to the home button. That will take you to your discover page, and then you want to tap on the search bar and you want to search for this account right here. And I'll leave this account linked up in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it. Then you can see a whole bunch of options underneath the story highlights. Go ahead and tap on the second one from the right. That's the filters, and you want to scroll down until you find the jaw dropper filter, which is this one right here. And you can go ahead and tap on that little download button at the bottom there to add it to your Snapchat camera, or you can simply hit the try it now button to try it. And when you open your mouth like this, you can see that the jaw drops, and you have a little slider there on the right hand side. You can make it even bigger. So that's pretty much the jaw dropper filter in action. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.